Guinness like a record. Fastest knock sensor change ever. No.
So is this gonna be like a how-to video or what? What do you
I don't think so. More vlog style.
Try to get away from how-tos.
Really?
Yeah, because they take too much damn time to edit. Half-ass how-to is where it's at, right? It's where it's at.
Yeah, it's high quality.
Which I don't know how to do at all.
This thing's been one thing after another, right?
Alright, so to do the knock sensors, there's two of them. They're both under the manifold. You gotta just basically, you gotta pull the manifold, unplug everything, undo the fuel lines, the brake booster line. Well, there's no brake booster on this thing. Have your boost. But yeah, so I'm just working on getting the intake manifold off right now. Might as well put a cam in there too.
How much, bro?
It's a few more steps and it's cam time. Like seriously, as many times as I watched him do this crap, it's like it doesn't take much more. You just take the radiator out and just put a cam in it.
Bo's just, we know Bo, he tends to forget some things.
He was like, would you tell him that I'm dumb? I can't help it.
Yeah, I mean, Bo is just stupid sometimes.
That's where it pays off.
Yeah. You want the clippy clips? The clippy tool? If you need one of these, the link is in the description box.
Alright, so these are really good for the hard to reach hose clamps. Put them on there, squeeze it, and it actually locks it in place. So use this right now under the throttle body because it's a hard place to get to. About to make a mess. Gotta purge.
Wouldn't be Grease Monkey Mods without it, right?
Alright, let me show the guys this little trick here. So I gotta undo the fuel rail with this quick connect tool. But before you do that, it's pressurized, so there's a little valve right here. And you can actually depressurize the system if you just hold on this valve, but it is gonna make a mess. Get some rags or something around it. Yeah.
Skeet in your eye?
Yeah. Alright, it's bleeding out right now. Done.
You're just gonna give me this, a copy of this, all this, and I'm gonna do something with it.
For $5.99.
What'd you pay for that camera?
For fuck you, 99. Just seen him doing this cam on this lifted Chevy truck. I didn't have no idea how he was doing it, because it was like.
So I should get you to do the cam before
Yeah, I was
lift?
like, dude, that would just tire the hell out of me. I don't know how he was doing it.
So nasty under there?
Looks like it to me.
Don't put it on the ground. If you do, put it on. Well, don't put it on the ground. My kids will step in it. Put it on the table.
I get some leaves in here. So under the manifold, there's 2 blocks of foam on the ends.
This guy and this guy.
And it seems like that actually like traps in moisture. I don't know, like, I don't know what the deal is, but crap gets in here. Like this one here in the back actually came up, so moisture gets in there and it pretty much rots out the knock sensors. So on the new ones, it's a good idea to put some RTV or some silicone on there to actually create a good seal so it won't happen again. Yeah, so get a shot of this if you can get this. They're full of water.
The goo?
Yeah, it's full of shit. Oh my god. Look at the back one. Full of water. Hot water. Damn, that's hot. Yeah, so that's what happens.
That one's full of water?
No, this one's good. The back one's bad. So the front one was good. There wasn't any water in there, so it looks shiny. good. This back one here should look pretty nasty. Yeah. So it's basically just sitting in water for who knows how long, and it looks like it was pulled off the Titanic or something.
It's a fucking meatball.
Yeah, it turned into a meatball. So this is how they go bad right here.
Jesus.
Fucking meatball.
Pretty close.
Spaghetti.
That's my career.
Hey Donnie, you got any silicone?
Yes. I have everything here. Everything. But I don't have any subscribers.
You got hit
I have everything but subscribers.
You hit the 2K, man. So 2,000.
This fucker just uses me for
Everything.
What color would you like? Would you like black,
No, that's Hitter.
gray,
You got any red?
blue?
Race red?
He only does. We only do red when we're doing cams.
Oh, okay.
So the whole internet will talk shit about
Oh, really?
it. Yeah.
They talk shit about
this
this?
trip, man. Internet fucking these people, man. We got over here is we got Bo and Bree Smoky Mods over here working on a. What year is it, Tom?
05.
05 Tahoe doing knock sensors. Which, he knows what he's doing.
Do I?
I think so.
We'll see if it runs after.
I guess what's recommended is to go ahead and do both. I guess it's you usually see the back one fill up with water.
Yeah. Yeah, because the motor's actually tilted, so the water runs off to the back.
Okay, and the water just comes from what, over time?
Yes.
Humidity?
Assholes pressure washing.
Assholes pressure washing. Yeah, that's probably where a lot of it came from on this one, huh? They like try to wash it before
Really
they sold
big
it.
asshole pressure. Yeah.
Or wash it after they flood it.
Oh, that too.
But that's not going to happen.
But
Just
the,
one,
yeah, but the
one pressure
meatball,
washing.
yeah, the meatball looks like it's been
I've also been told driving through high water and
marinating for a while.
flashing up on there.
So yeah, so you want to go ahead and get the harnesses too. And you ready for the plug? And if you're looking at doing this yourself, you know, I'll leave links down in the description box below for the knock sensors and the harness and any of the tools that you see. Bitches.
Stay greasy.
Stay greasy.